How to make the most delicious pancake meal in just 5 minutes. First, you add a couple of eggs into a bowl. Then you add some flour, add 3 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, about 3 tablespoons of milk. Now mix it well. You need to butter up your sandwich maker. Now slowly add the mixture into heated up sandwich maker. You can now cover it and cook for a few minutes. For the yogurt topping, add a few tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. Add some berries. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Now mix it very well. Until you get a really good texture. After a few minutes of cooking, you can move your pancakes into your plate, add the yogurt topping and order your favorite toppings. That's it, I hope you enjoy.